Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to explain how the item unit prices program works. Item unit prices is the program where you can address three different prices. Inquiry as a function to set the existing item unit price in generally, but if you select some of the condition, it will show you the data you have selected. Import new item as a function to find new item easily which has been registered in order to setting up unit price. History inquiry is a data reference to know when and why it was changed. Well, let's talk about the datasheet. In this program, when you want to modify the prices, there are two steps. The first step is only select the price which you want to modify and save it, without knowing the previous price of the item and without knowing the end date applying and begin date. I will show you how. The second step is the advanced one. Let's take a look at the steps here. Click Import New Item. Select one item name which you want to modify. Set the standard sales price, which means the price selling standard for your customer. Set the sales price over unit, which means the price selling below the standard. For example, if your company wants to differentiate selling price based on distribution channel. Set the consumer price, which means the selling price for your common consumer. The price is much bigger than the others two. Entry begin date applying. And date applying is automatically filled out by the system after you click Save. Enter the reason for change. Click Save. To look how history inquiry works, please see the step here. Select this item and click History Inquiry. The selling price history will give you the detail related to the item. If you compare the line number 1 and the line number 2, you will see some differentiations. And date applying line number 1 is automatically changed to yesterday, and begin date applying line number 2 is automatically changed by today. You may also take a look at glance. There are comparison in prices column, reason for change, and special note to help you to understand more. So, that's the final of item unit prices program. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.